You ever notice how easy it is for guys to complain about how tired they are, how weak they are, how out of shape they are, and all the wonderful excuses they find in regards to staying that way? Well, it doesn't have to be so cut and dry like that. There are so many different ways you can get healthier, stronger, and fitter, and it's just a matter of changing a few little things within your life. With Grow Pro Thrive, the rebuild program we've got going on for you, that one is so straightforward because it works your whole life into being fit and healthy without overcomplicating things. Sure, you can always go to the gym and train there, but that takes a whole lot more motivation than the things I want you to do on a regular basis, and that is to find ways to move. Now, of course, you can do these things at a gym, but you can do them at home. Find stairs. Walk upstairs, treadmill, or walk outside. Elliptical, that's just a fun way of walking, like if you're doing a hike or something like that. Also, biking, fantastic. You can do something like a power bike, or you can walk. I mean, you could bike, walk, do any of these things. The whole idea is to be as fit, strong, and healthy as possible. So the whole idea is just to find ways to move. Simple as that. Just find ways to move, because yeah, you can come to the gym and do an hour's workout. Cool, it's great, but how's that going to sustain you? How's that going? We're not designed to sit down on our asses all day long. We're designed to walk, move, lift, bend. That's exactly what we do at Grow Pro Thrive. We find ways to implement all that within our daily routine and to make us stronger to do those type of things. So I want you to get out and move. It's as simple as that. And if you want my help, you want me to help train you and become the best man you can be, head on over to growprothrive.com. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it.